Dear God, thank you for nature. Thank you for giving us everything we need in the earth. You provide food that is medicine for our bodies and sights for us to behold. What phenomena we get to experience! The sunrise and the sunset, the moon and the stars, the clouds, the mountains and the trees, rivers, oceans, and lakes, animals on the land and in the sea. We are fortunate to have our senses because they allow us to experience the works of your magnificent, mighty, creative hands. Please help us to always be grateful and appreciate creation. On difficult days, remind us to look up, look around, and breathe. I love you. Amen.